Hi guys, welcome to the short video about the question what you can do if you're not satisfied with your Wi-Fi anymore, which is included or integrated into the router which you got from your internet service provider like Verizon or WOW or all these things. Usually when you sign up for a package for internet, then they provide you with a router which includes Wi-Fi, and usually that's okay. At least for some time, for some limited requirements and limited area, but usually over time you add some additional devices, you add like a couple of tablets, maybe your family will grow, you add some cameras or you add some other smart devices, and in a sudden your Wi-Fi is not good enough anymore. So what to do? This is what you find on Amazon when you search for Wi-Fi 6 mesh router, and this is of course the solution. That's the Eero. That's not a bad thing. That's from Amazon. Eero 6 Wi-Fi 6. This is a dual system. Here we have 3 of them, and I can actually highly recommend them. So the reason why I made this video is that it's not necessarily very easy to replace or to extend such a Wi-Fi system, and I wanted to give you some advice what to look for. And so actually the biggest problem with these mesh Wi-Fi systems are that a lot of them don't allow to use the Wi-Fi name or the password which you want. That's a huge problem. Let's say you have already about maybe 20 devices connected to your normal Wi-Fi from your internet service provider. You have entered there all the Wi-Fi names and especially passwords. And I mean, with a phone it's not difficult, but with some devices, especially some smart devices like security things, security cameras or water sensors, or these things can be pretty difficult to change or reconnect to a different Wi-Fi system. It can be a lot of work. You can spend hours and hours and hours in. So if you want to avoid such problems, then I can highly recommend to go with such a device, the Amazon Eero here. That's a very flexible solution, definitely allows to choose your Wi-Fi name and also the password. And so there's a cable connection needed, usually via like the Ethernet cable is also included, and so you can connect your old Wi-Fi router from your internet service provider with one of these devices, and then you do the whole setup, and as soon as you have it set up with the same Wi-Fi name, same password, then you go to the original Wi-Fi router and then disable the Wi-Fi there. This is what I recommend, and then all your devices should actually automatically connect then to this system here. I mean, you can place one in the center of your home, one on the left side, one on the right side, so you have perfect coverage. I have already done this and it worked really good. So this is what I recommend because it's the easier thing, it's very reliable, and so I'll put down the link to this system down into the description so you can check it out and order drive from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.